Welcome to Shama. Magic, show them around. Right, we are inside Shama, one of the historic towns in the Western region. Yes, so Shama has a lot of iconic places in Shama. And in Shama, we have the Fort Sebastian right behind me. Now, if you don't know Shama, there is a cross at the seashore or even in the ocean, which is about 500 years. Before the Europeans came here, this was the first place that they settled in the Western region, Shama, and that cross has been there for 500 years.
I am the person in the main mind of Abrantepa Justoo. Maybe so only a wash Shama in alone. We send there, they will be able to the apple. I hate the apple of the tea. Your light, your transformer say so many years, I know so many months now. You may be a or say Tifiala or Bomb boy. I mean, your transformer.
In all this, there is a man that is making change in the Shama community, and he is
Abrantepa Justoo. Abrantepa Justoo.
Abrantepa Justoo.
Abrantepa Justoo.
The whole city, the whole town is talking about Abrantepa Justoo. Welcome, my brother.
Yeah, boss. Thank you.
Welcome. So, this is from the horse's own mouth. So today we are going to ask him about the things that he has been able to achieve with the Shama community and its environment. So Abrantepa Justoo, welcome.
Yes, thank you.
So first of all, who is Abrantepa Justoo?
Yeah, so thank you very much. Let me first of all say very good afternoon to your cherished viewers.
Okay.
And the good people of Shama constituency and Shama Electoral Area. So Justice Kobina Jr. is a young boy who has his community at heart, doing a lot for the Shama district, basically the Shama Electoral Area. I'm currently the assembly member for Shama Electoral Area and also the chairman for Shama Area Council.
All right, see your man, you get a lot of portfolios. But Abrantepa, I would like us to walk through the town so that we get to how the town rolls. How did this whole thing come about you being an assemblyman? How is it?
Yeah, so being an assemblyman at a very young age, the work is not going to be easy.
Yes.
Yes, but we are doing our best. We've been trying to organize one or two programs to the benefit of the people in our community. Yes.
Wow. So what are the kind of things that you have been able to, these few times that you've been an assemblyman, what are the kind of things you have been able to achieve? This is very, very important to me because you are doing marvelously well. That is why I and my team have to drove all the way from inside Takrady to come into Shama.
Yes.
To see the things that Honorable Justice Abrantepa is doing for the Shama community. So we are rolling through the towns, we are going to show you around. But yes, still we are with what Abrantepa Justoo. Yes. So Justoo, what are the things that you have been able to achieve?
Yeah, so education is paramount. Okay.
Yes.
So we've organized a lot of educational related programs like the free vacation classes, which is going on now. You've done a lot of programs. I mean, in education. Wow. So last BEC candidates, we distributed mathematical set, long rulers.
That was crazy.
Yes,
distributed mathematical sets, long
rulers, and
for
pens, all candidates. Yes.
Like, can you give me the figure, like the number of people?
Yeah. So roughly,
students.
They are around almost 500 candidates. Yes.
500 people.
500 people.
You gave math sets, pens,
and long rulers
to them for 500 people.
Exactly.
This is crazy.
Very, very, very.
Giving over 500 students math sets. This is from an assemblyman, not an MP. These things are things that most of the time the MP does. But this is from a young man who is an assemblyman who has done this. 500 students receive a math set from Abrantepa Justoo.
Yes.
Yo, this number is crazy. It means that the whole Shama,
the whole Shama community. Mostly some of the projects, we don't really channel our energy to only a different electoral area.
Wow.
We sometimes
not even to your I know that when it comes to the whole Shama, you have like 3 divisions.
Yes.
Not necessarily for your electoral area.
Some of these interventions you try and do for the whole community.
For the whole Shama community.
For the whole Shama
all this initiative came from you.
From me, personally.
Why? Only one man. Only a young man, and I'm not sure he's even in his early 30s.
No. I'm
he's
not
even in the middle and the
final 20s.
The final 20s,
exactly,
and he's doing crazy for the Shama community.
Exactly.
All right, Honorable. So, with the step, talking of the vacation classes, what are the other things that you've tried
so
to do?
there are lots of graduates who also have the passion, or they have the vision of going to abroad to do studies.
Wow.
So we sometimes, you see, I attended University of Ghana. I'm currently doing my master's degree at the University of Ghana.
That is great.
And I have course-mates who are across the world doing different courses at different universities. So sometimes I bring them on board. We organize study abroad webinar for Shama students, for them to, you know, teach them on how to do the application, the scholarships available, and the courses that, you know, are available for them to apply. So these are some of the educational projects we've embarked on as I held the mantle as an assembly member for Shama Youth Electoral Area.
This is coming from an assembly member, not an MP, not a DCE, an assembly member. First of all, before we continue the video, now let me do this quick. So this dress that was given to me is from 14's Apparel. So 14's Apparel dressed me up. Unfortunately, because of the rounds we did with we 14 and they share me. So my hair was done by K Executive Barbering Salon. I'll provide your numbers and direct. So please, if you want a haircut, go there, K Executive Barbering Salon. They are crazy. And my dress was also coming from 14's Apparel. Now let's move on. So I've seen a video of you about Shama. You are going to lighten Shama. And I was like, hey, what is this whole thing about?
Yeah, so most of the projects are into two different sides.
Okay.
Some are human interventions, some are infrastructure projects. And with the human interventions, we, like I was saying, education, we've done a lot. Health too, we've also done a lot. We've organized free health screening and, you know, free health insurance to the people of Shama. We've done breast cancer awareness program, all my initiatives. So with the one you are talking about is supposed to happen tomorrow. We've done the first edition last year, and
wow,
we are doing the second edition just tomorrow, Saturday.
And it's not only your electoral area.
No, so yes, so this one particularly is for my electoral area. And there are other projects that we look at the Shama community at large.
Wow.
Yeah, so we are looking at repairing poles and light poles that has faulty. We are also looking at, you know, fixing new street bulbs to brighten wherever there's darkness, so that we reduce the theft cases that is going on in the community. So basically, that is what we are doing. We have procured some bulbs. The member of parliament for Shama has also supported us with some bulbs. DCE has also supported us with some bulbs. So that is currently what we are championing. And now, as I speak, we are also doing the free vacation classes. Myself, I've been teaching the students. So yes,
you are doing marvelously.
Exactly.
You are doing marvelously. And we saw you in renovating the Shama Youth Center. So do you have anything to say about that?
Yeah, so the Shama Youth Center, I would say, is one of the remarkable projects I have championed since I held office as assembly member for Shama Electoral Area.
Wow.
So the Shama Youth Center was built in somewhere 2009 by the late member of parliament, Honorable Angelina Bedenemisa. Wow. And it was officially operationalized and opened by the current member of parliament. Then she was the DCE, yes, Honorable Emilia Arthur. But for some time, I think for a decade, that is 10 years now, the facility was
in a mess.
Yes, was in a mess. it was very dilapidated. They left the facility to rot.
Wow.
So as an assembly member and as a youth, we as I held office, I came purposely to, you know, innovate that facility. Wow. So a facility that was built to empower youth, to, you know, empower women for capacity building program, has now turned to do the contrary of what the facility was built to do. Yes. So as we came, we've started renovating the facility. We've done new roofing, we've done new ceiling, we've changed the sieves to, you know, glass. We've done plumbing work, we've done tiling. There are a number of people who supported us. I don't know if I can mention their companies and the individuals to, at least to appreciate them. Yeah, we were supported heavily by these companies.
We are grateful for the support there. Now, guys, I actually saw everything about this renovation of the Shama Youth Center. We went there ourselves to check, and it's crazy. Before and the after, you can see a clear difference that they are making a huge change in the community center. Because now there is a new roofing, like new everything. They are
everything, yes.
Like that there was no life in it, but now there is life. Yes, through Abrantepa Justoo and the individuals that supported this initiative. And this is massive. Abrante, Charlie, you are doing really good. Are there any things that it is in the pipeline or things that you have achieved that we've not talked about?
Yeah, so you see, initially when we were coming, I was met by some two women who were asking me when would the pipe project come again.
Wow.
Yeah, so there was a project called the Poor project that was targeting households that are very vulnerable, don't have the money of getting water in their various households. So there's this project that came on, and we made sure that we lobbied for Shama to be part of the project. And so now, as I speak, there are about 60 households that initially were not having pipes in their various homes, and now they have at a very affordable rate. Very, very affordable. Yes. So it's one of the projects that we've embarked so far. We've also fixed some roads in Shama Electoral Area that was, in a mess, very deplorable. Now we've been able to, shape the drip machines and also procure some gravels to, make the road very, very good for people to. So we've done a lot. There are a lot of projects that we have done. Some are not in my head now, but we've done a lot. We've done a lot for.
How long have you been in office?
Yeah, so this is my first term.
Hold on. This is your first term.
Yes,
like your first term as an assemblyman.
My first term as an assemblyman.
How long does the assemblyman like? Is it the same 4 years?
Yes, 4 years. 4 years, and I think this is our third year. Yeah, this is our third year.
Like, this is crazy. His first term and the kind of things that he has been able to achieve in the community.
Yes.
From education to lighting to women empowerment to the renovation of the center, even to giving 500 students math set pens and rulers and even aside that, not just giving it to them, he has to bring people to educate them on how to answer their questions, how to go by the BEC exams. And this is coming from an assemblyman, not an MP, not a DC, an assemblyman, Abrantepa Justoo. This is massively crazy. Abrantepa, God richly bless you, because I don't know really what to say, because I since I came, now when we came, we roamed in the town and you can see people calling him left, right, center. Even though this place is not his electoral area, I think the whole of Shama because everybody knows him here. Exactly. And it's all because of what he's doing for the community. And we have to tell Ghanaians and people outside there that he's doing massively well. If you are in the diaspora and you are a citizen of Shama, or even you were born here and you see what Abrantepa Justoo is doing, and you feel you want to support, you can also support him so that he can do more for this community, because we all want the best for Ghana and for our society. Abrantepa, do you have any last words for us?
Yeah, so what
that we have to know?
What I've realized is that when every individual, pass on, there are only two things that normally we remember that person for.
Sure.
One is a problem the person created, and one is a problem the person solved.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah, so that has been my basic principle of life. I am making very sure that before I leave this earth, my legacy and the impact on people will be more than maybe perhaps the problems I caused. So that has been my basic principle that is guiding me to do a lot of things for my people.
Charlie, this is crazy. He is really doing well for the community. Even in this video, we are not able to capture all because of time constraint. He is really busy. We have to schedule before we get him today. Even now here, I can see his phone is buzzing. Course left, right, center. So we have to end the video here. But even before you end the video, as I told you, this costume is from 14th Apparel. I'll put 14th Apparel's number below the screen so that you can call him. I get my haircut done by K Executive Barbering Salon. You can just hit them up below so that you can also get your haircut done. Tell them your idea sent you. If you go to 14th Apparel at Fijai, tell him your idea sent you. When you go to K Executive Barbering Salon, tell them your idea sent you. They will have a package for you. You won't be served normally because it's coming from your ideas. You get it. So yes, Abrantepa, any last words for your community? What they should expect from you, the case and anything?
Yeah, so I would say that there are a lot of things coming up at Shama Youth Center. We have a lot of things to do for them, and also to encourage the youth out there that there's no position that we can't. The constitution gives room to everybody, provided you are 18 years plus, to contest for any portfolio. Okay, and so if you think that you can serve your people very well, go for the mantle and leave a legacy.
All right, so go for the mantle and leave a legacy. If you're a young person who aspire for any portfolio in politics, don't be shy. Just come up and since they are doing, they can be your mentors and
Exactly.
help you throughout this. So yes, I'm your ideas. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. This was done with Abrantepa Justoo. Charlie, you know what? We go crush.